62-meter unmanned line on way to customer side. This 62-meter industry unmanned line covering 1,500 is ready for delivery. Fully unmanned from labeling to sorting, the customer is counting on it to boost efficiency and cut costs. Just 2 cutting knives and 4 edge benders and 3 set side drills. One operator outperforms 3 traditional machines, producing 280 panels in 8 hours. This line solves all the problems of high cost and low output.